PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides reliable heat pump services in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania, helping homeowners and businesses maintain efficient, year-round comfort. Heat pumps offer both heating and cooling in one system, making them an energy-efficient solution for modern properties. Our experienced technicians handle installation, maintenance, repairs, and system evaluations to ensure optimal performance and longevity. We focus on improving energy efficiency, airflow, and indoor comfort while reducing operating costs. Whether you need a new system or service for an existing unit, trust PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania for professional heat pump services that keep your space comfortable in every season. Call us today, PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a heat pump services near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. How often should you schedule heat pump services? Homeowners should schedule heat pump services in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania at least twice a year to maintain optimal performance. Because heat pumps provide both heating and cooling, they operate year-round and require regular maintenance to function efficiently. What are the benefits of installing a heat pump? Heat pumps provide both heating and cooling in one system while being energy efficient. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning installs heat pumps in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania that offer year-round comfort, reduced utility costs, and environmentally friendly operation. What is your service office for heat pump services? Glen Mills, Pennsylvania. Our local heat pump services Glen Mills, Pennsylvania office has served Glen Mills, Pocopson, Chadds Ford, Garnet Valley, Boothwyn, Marcus Hook, Concordville, Kennett Square, Thornton, Chester Township, Crosslands, Village Green, Ogden, Aston Mills, Auburn, Mendenhall, Longwood, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 53 West Baltimore Pike, number 201, Glen Mills, Pennsylvania 19342. Our phone number is 610-424-6273. Visit our website, https://pjmashvatz.com/air duct cleaning services Glen Mills/